Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Yemeni Fasolia. This dish is usually eaten during breakfast. I'm going to show you the ingredients. I usually use 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, a bunch of cilantro, cumin, paprika, salt and pepper, and 2 garlic cloves. You will need olive oil and a couple of red kidney beans. So the first step is to chop your onion and your tomatoes. Onion always makes me cry, like I start bawling. This is sweet onion. It doesn't have to be a specific kind, this is just my preference. Something to know about this dish, that it's easy to make them in large batches. It's easy to freeze and then just defrost the portions. So while I cut the tomato, I'm going to start frying the onion. I'm going to put around 3 tablespoons of oil. And I use just regular olive oil. This is the perfect dish for a suhoor during Ramadan. I love to eat this before Fajr. So we're going to start with our onions. Okay, so I'm going to put the onions and the oil. And once they are translucent, then we will add the tomato. Okay, so our onion is ready. You can see the color. And I'm going to add the tomato. I mix. And I'm going to add the salt and pepper. So I can see now that the tomatoes and onion are ready because the tomato has broken down. So at this point is when I will add the beans. I usually use red kidney beans, but you can use whatever you have on hand. And I'm going to mash. They don't have to be all completely broken down, but I like it a little mashed for sure. Okay, now you can see how it looks. I'm going to add the garlic. And at this point, I'm going to add tomato paste. For this amount, you will need like around 2 tablespoons. So after the garlic, I'm just going to finish with the spices. So this is a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin and then 1 teaspoon of paprika. Meanwhile, we're going to divide the cilantro in 2. If you have a bunch, divide it in 2. So right now I'm going to show you the consistency, okay? And you can always add water if you feel that it's too dry, even when reheating them or after you defrost them. I'm going to put the last ingredient, which is the cilantro. Okay. almost. Actually, I think it's pretty good. Doesn't need anything else. So let it simmer low for 5 minutes and then it's ready to serve. So we're ready to serve. I'm going to put some on the plate to show you how to dress up the plate. You put some cilantro, fresh cilantro on the top. And if you like, you could also put some jalapeño peppers. So this is how it will look. And then you put virgin olive oil. Not everyone likes it, but I think it's a very nice touch and I really enjoy it this way. And usually people eat it with fresh bread, khubza. So there you go. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know how it turned out in the comments. And if you're Yemeni, please also let me know what do you do different. If you want to see more recipes, I know a few tricks. Salam and subscribe and see you in my next video.